Nothing captures the bold spirit of transformation quite like turning old factories into stunning homes that proudly carry their industrial past forward. These 8 unique residences, once bustling production sites making everything from biscuits to vacuum cleaners, showcase how carefully preserved raw elements like Crittal windows and glazed brick columns can become charming, defining features of modern living spaces. But here's where it gets controversial. Is preserving industrial heritage a blessing or a design challenge? Many believe old factories with their vast layouts offer exceptional opportunities for residential conversions, and architects see their rugged skeletons not as obstacles but as design goldmines. These projects are tied together by a shared respect for industrial architecture. Exposed structural beams and columns have been meticulously revived to harmonize with clean, contemporary elements rather than hidden away. This approach celebrates history while creating spaces that feel fresh and inviting. This collection is the newest installment in our lookbook series, drawing inspiration from Design's extensive archive. For those eager to explore even more creative design ideas, previous lookbooks spotlight fascinating objects like milking stools, elegant marble kitchen islands, and reflective mirrored accents. Let's explore the homes. Amsterdam Apartment, Netherlands. By Studio Wiseman, this home lives inside a former sugar refinery in Amsterdam. The designers chose materials that honor the building's storied past, creating a space with warmth and function. Studio Wiseman maintained the apartment's exposed ceiling beams and contrasted them with sleek stainless steel pendant lights and vibrant Moroccan zellige tiles. The result? An intimate yet practical environment that respects heritage while embracing style. Kerr, Australia by SSDH. Nestled in Melbourne's Fitzroy, this split-level warehouse apartment inhabits a building that once housed the legendary Mac Robertson's chocolate factory. SSDH transformed the space by peeling back layers to reveal original architecture, painting beams and columns crisp white to spotlight sculptural furniture pieces. The design balances homage to history with unmistakably modern touches, provoking us to ask, how much should history dictate contemporary interiors? Perth Home, Australia, by Space Agency, located in North Fremantle, within a 1930s brick warehouse that churned out Wheaties cereal. This family home highlights the charm of its heritage-listed origins. The designers crafted a light, airy interior centered around a striking, oversized spiral staircase, a circular indoor pool, and playful, bold colors. It's a standout example of balancing preservation with livability. Biscuit Loft, USA, by OWIU Studio. A nod to Japan meets American industrial in this downtown Los Angeles apartment, located in a former biscuit factory built in 1925. The timber-lined guest room doubles as a serene tea ceremony space, exemplifying how cultural references blend with rustic industrial vibes. Akari pendant lamps underscore the calm, neutral palette, while gently recalling the building's bakery roots. Apartment H, Germany, by IFUB, occupying the second floor of an old chocolate factory in Berlin's Neukölln district. This airy apartment features vaulted ceilings and visible steel frameworks. German firm IFUB sought to craft a living space that feels genuinely comfortable without erasing the building's industrial identity. It raises the question, how do modern comforts coexist with authentic historical atmosphere? London Apartment, UK, by Studio McW. This East London home, once the live work studio of climate activists Alice Adie and Jack Harries, occupies a century-old former shoe factory. Studio McW honored the original industrial structure, preserving suspended slabs and concrete beams, while incorporating eco-friendly touches like reclaimed Georgian pine flooring and toxin-cleaning clay walls. The team emphasizes that celebrating existing materials narrates the rich story of the building's past. But is there a limit to how much old fabric should govern new design? Hoover Building Apartments, UK, by Interrobang. A true architectural landmark, the Grade 2-star listed Hoover Building in West London dates back to 1933 and originally produced household appliances for the American brand. Interabang converted this iconic Art Deco factory into 66 modern apartments, enhanced by the restored triple-height Crittal windows that flood interiors with natural light. The challenge here lies in respecting a historic ornamental style while crafting contemporary urban homes. London Apartment, UK, by Superblock. Within the baking room of an ex-biscuit factory in East London, this innovative apartment uses birch plywood pods instead of traditional walls to create more space, expanding the home from 60 to 77 square meters. Superblock also restored glazed brick columns along the facade, intentionally marrying the building's original features with fresh design ideas. This project sparked conversations when shortlisted for Apartment Interior of the Year in 2019. Does this blend of old and new mark a successful renovation, or create an uneasy juxtaposition? This series continues to inspire by showcasing how creative reimaginings of historical industrial spaces can produce homes that honor the past while embracing the present. What do you think? Should we always preserve industrial details in conversions, or is it sometimes better to start fresh? Share your thoughts and let the debate begin.